life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Hey guys, so here I am today. So another on-the-go makeup that I'm going to show with you all. And I hope you're gonna like it. So I don't have much time because I need to rush to work. Let's get started. Bare face without makeup. So I normally start with, sometimes I use primer, sometimes not. But
I think it's the way
the blurring primer from Cover FX. Because I have some pimple marks all over. Just put it on an area where you want to blur. And I also have smile line over here because I smile a lot. Done with the primer, and I'm Born This Way foundation. The shade is Sand.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Sheer Glow.
I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
And I'm gonna use Laura Mercier airbrush. I'm gonna use the contour powder, the contour kit, one of my favorites. So I have both shades, but right now I'm gonna use the medium to tan. So I'm gonna start contouring. I'm gonna put it like above, underneath my cheekbone because I have a very round face. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit powder, both of the colors, because it's just very convenient. So if you like all-in-one makeup, and then just start here and blend it outwards. Make sure that there is no harsh lines. That's what I learned. And by using this lighter shade below the eye area, above the cheekbone, all over on top of your eyebrows, and then below the contour area, the darker shades that we put earlier. Okay, good. And then here, first zone and second zone. And then here, at the Cupid's bow. This is like all-in-one brush. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm not actually much into powder, but today I felt like I need it, or I really need to put it since I have a very oily skin this time. So I'm just gonna put it under the eye area. I'm gonna use the Real Technique. Gonna do much, make it more subtle, because I'm gonna wear red. Makeup is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil based. Since I have a very oily lids, when I put eyeshadow, my eyes eat all the makeup. So I'm using Real Technique.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. You should breathe slow. 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 You should breathe slow.
Another brush from Real Technique. All over on my work. I'm almost done with my eye makeup. Gel liner. This is waterproof. This is from Marc Jacobs. This is shade is this? Oh, this is Earth My Way.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love. If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way that's why I don't worry when in love. If you don't see it, these days I don't worry about. That's why I don't worry about this. I don't see it. These days I still dream about the days when we were young. I think we should take ahead and still finish. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take ahead and still finish. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep playing, we should never let go. Sometimes, yeah, yeah, baby. The ones we keep close, we should not let yourself and realign yourself. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish, yeah.